A few years ago, I lost the docking station to my Switch, and I'm not much of a handheld gamer, so I haven't used my Switch since. So today, I decided to test out and try a new portable docking station, and it's been so much fun to kick back and play the Switch again. This station comes shipped to your door with a manual, and then your micro docking station. The docking station has a big button on top that switches from tabletop mode to TV mode. Then if you flip up the flap, you can find your USB-C plug to charge and power your Switch. On both sides, you can find standard USB ports, and then on the back, you have a USB-C port, HDMI port, and another standard USB port. Then the bottom has rubber grips that hold to your surface and keep your Switch safe. The only thing you need to get started is your own Switch, USB-C power cable, and HDMI cable. But when you plug it in, you'll be greeted by a pulsating LED strip. It changes colors and looks pretty cool in my opinion. Then when you plug in your HDMI and Switch, you can easily click the button on top and your game will appear on the TV. Then if you click it again, the display will switch to your Switch and you can play it right there in front of you. And obviously, the base will charge your Switch too. Now even though this base is micro, it still has enough surface area to have a sturdy mounting spot for your Switch. It doesn't seem like it's gonna fall over and feels really secure. The picture looks just as good as I remember, so this base really does its job. My favorite feature about it is how small it is. You can literally slide it in your pocket and take it with you for when you're hanging out with friends. So all in all, I'm really pleased with my new docking station, and so happy to be able to play the Switch again. So if you're looking to take your Switch with you and tired of playing handheld, this portable docking station might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go try and beat this level. See ya!